set these solar panels out to charge the solar generator at about noon today. It's getting to be about 5 o'clock. We're up to 76%. It's doing pretty good. The shade of the solar panels is plenty for the generator itself. We've got these running in series, so one of them plugged into the other into the unit to give us the quickest charge. That was a 13-mile-an-hour gust, and I've got these placed so that most of the gusts just go right past, but when they do hit, you just put the brace back out. Hope this helps. I'd like to thank them for sending us these to try out.